I was out biking a couple of days ago when suddenly I saw this. An overrun badger. We see them pretty often in our country, but what I've never seen before are the flowers, notes, candles, the signs of mourning that surrounded this badger. I was moved by the love that the animal was shown, and I added a couple of flowers myself, of course. When is life grievable? What bodies do our culture allow us to mourn? Judith Butler asked that question in relation to victims of war. Silently, almost unconsciously, we separate the grievable from the ungrievable to make sure our affects don't make us act beyond the borders of the current discourse. Simone Horstmann highlights a related distinction, the distinction between the edible and the inedible. What bodies do our culture allow us to eat? Humans are never edible. No one can eat human meat, not even other humans. So that way, our place on top of the hierarchy of species is secured. We learn what a human being is by sitting at a table where other animals are eaten by us, as Cora Diamond states. And according to Judith Butler, we learn what a VIP human is, a Western human, by watching the news where 30 seconds are dedicated to tell us about the deaths of thousands of ungrievable bodies far away from us. Combining these two perspectives, could we add that we learn what a human being is by calling individuals of other species that are killed in car accident road kills? I sense a theological activist movement emerging. These two ministers in Sweden have created both Christian services and funerals for animals. Their work, along with the pile of flowers I saw surrounding the dead badger, makes me sense a theological activist movement emerging. I'd suggest we start giving flowers, notes, candles to animal traffic victims as a way of slowly moving the borders of the discourse, as a way of making more bodies grievable and fewer bodies edible.